chop game.
Market makers playing that chop game. Traders getting wrecked, don't trade it the same. Long it, pull back, short it, moon quick. Market makers in the back, laughing. Confirm, breakout. No, now it's reversing. Market makers bait the highs and slice the lows. Paint the picture, then it folds. Fake bull flags, fake bear traps, jumping in late. That bag collapsed. Whipsaw move, straight disrespectful. No trend, just chop. Feeling regretful. Market makers see it stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Retail trying to snipe the top. Market makers cooking, it's getting hot. Revenge trading will break your soul. Fear, greed, envy, you lose control. Jealousy, anger, revenge gets fed. You revenge trade, now in the red.
Don't feel like you have to be in a trade. Don't give up, I know it's hard. Royal flush soon, like playing cards. Markets change, can't trade it the same. Long the uptrend, short the flare.
It's that range game, fake out chains. Market makers profit, traders feel the pain. Candle art ain't what it seems. Chop is a weapon, killing dreams. Chasing that breakout too late, my friend. Market makers denying the sin. Retail trap, caught in that zone. The traders be holding bags, asking for a loan. FOMO hits, traders load that size. Price retraces, no allergies, but watery eyes. Market makers sell the dream by the dip, then the dip keeps dipping. It's a sucker script, adapt to die. That's the motto, no edge in chop, just highs then hollow. Top down scan, zoom out the view. Avoid the noise, wait for the cue.
Don't give up, I know it's hard. Royal flush soon, like playing cards. Markets change, can't trade it the same. Long the uptrend, short the flare.
Feeling fear, feeling greed, angry, mad, want that speed, fast, jealous, why? Trade the flex, revenge got you wrecked, now you second guess.
You gotta breathe and follow the plan. You'll win again if you understand. Don't give up, hold your ground. Set alerts for the trend, wait for the sound.
Whipsaw move, straight disrespectful, no trend, just chop. Feeling regretful, market makers see you stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Catch the move, not the hype parade. Stay in the game, that's how legends are made. Market makers playing that chop game. Set a stop loss on every trade. Trade with the trend. And get trapped again.
That's right, guys. We don't want to get trapped. No, sirree, Bob. No trapping here. All right, so let's go and get started in 3, 2. I haven't even checked the camera yet, but we'll see. In 3, 2, and 1. Bingo, bango, bingo, bango. I was afraid of that. All right, so the office. I mean, the only time I use the camera. Oh, and it might even fall too. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't fall. The place still kind of a mess, but we'll see. All right, moving on. Let's go and get started. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I am in the transitioning phase of moving. So let's go and put on some background music. Yeah, today I really didn't do too much. You know, the office is still a mess, but doing a bunch of stuff. You don't realize how much stuff you have until you move. That's for sure. And this is going to probably be a short stream. If there's any coins you want me to do, let me know. I just kind of let you know. And then there will be a time where I'm not sure if I'll be. There might be a time where I'm off for like maybe 2 or 3 days. I'm not sure. Just to get the internet hooked up and everything else. But hopefully I can get that squared away this week, so that when I'm forced to leave this place, which is an illegal foreclosure, but in Georgia they can do that, then Hopefully there will be no hiccups, but we'll see. All right, moving on. We got Meet Damien in the house. What's up, Meet Damien? Saw your show earlier today. Banging show, 2 hours of just coin after coin after coin, thought process. Of course, he does stocks and all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and put Meet Damien's channel up here. I cleared out a lot of my stuff, but here, my buddy, got Meet Damien in the house. So definitely check him out. Let's go put this in the chat. There we go. So here, look at Aptos and LX. I don't know that other one. So let me go ahead and get my other notepad. So let's write down, this one is Aptos, ABT, and LCX. I don't know what that one is. So we'll check it out. Still kind of getting everything together here. All right. Okay, let's see here. Meet even says I got 7. Oh, let me put here. I got 17 new followers on TikTok after that live stream this afternoon. Hey, man, that's pretty good. Yeah, nobody watches my stuff on TikTok. I'm barely on there. I'm only on there to post. And then somebody said, well, you spend some time on there. So, man, I spend like half the day on there watching dumb videos from other people. You know, at this time, I didn't know about you, but watching dumb videos and commenting and liking everybody's comment and commenting on their comments for half a day. And then I went and I posted another video or a video and it got like 20 views. I was like, man, I'm not going to waste my time. So I mean, I post on TikTok, but nothing happens. It's a waste of my time. It really is. All right, moving on. So let's go ahead and look at the the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles on the hourly. Boring. I don't know about you, but this is boring to me. 2%, 2%, 3%, 0.5%. On the daily, 8%, 23%. So let's just see how many double digits we have on the daily. 1, 2. That's it. Wow. But yet money's coming into the market. Where is it going? Where is it going? We're going to talk about that on the show. We're going to get Bitcoin dominance, total 3. Money's coming in. Where is it going? USDT dominance is going down. So that means people are buying coins or they're taking their money out of the market, period. Where's the money going? I don't know. That's a question. So if you know, let me know in the chat. So we're looking at the fear and greed index. We're going to the crypto space, and man, it's really, really white. I should just turn off the camera, but I'm not messing with the camera. Let's see here, 73, up 1%. That's probably because Bitcoin's been going up, maybe. Let's go to liquidations heat map. Let's look at this for the heat map. This is going to be on the 24-hour time frame. On the 24-hour time frame, nice liquidity right here, about 43 million, 42 million, right in this general area, 119,711. Then a really nice hotspot at 47 million, right at 120,572, and then we have a really bright hotspot right here, 58 million at 118,161. So this is telling me that, well, it's in the market makers might bring the price up, but then they might also bring it down. On the 12-hour, we have a lot of hotspots right here, but the price looks like it's going up. All I know is, because I don't know which way it's going to go. I don't think anybody does. We have probabilities, and there's a higher probability that we'll get these if we break this level. Or we'll get these areas of liquidation if we break this level. This is why I trade level by level. Let's go over here to the liquidations. Who's getting liquidated right now? Let's refresh the page. And on the 1 hour, neck and neck. So it's kind of doing a flipping and a flopping. 4 hour, we have a shorts getting liquidated. So that means, well, the price went up. 12 hour, again, price went up. 24 hour, price went up. So let's go and check it out. Let's look at the Bitcoin. Sure enough, price went up. So without looking at Bitcoin, you can just look at who's getting wrecked to see which way it's going. And here, sure enough, went up. Now, I do want to point something out. This was yesterday on the 1 hour time frame. We're looking at this, and we were saying that here, and I put this in the group as well prior to the live stream, we have divergence. We have high. We have a lower high. However, we have a higher high. And the bearish divergence was right here. This is on the hourly time frame. But Joe, that's on the hourly time frame. You don't, your point's not valid because, well, you can go to the daily or whatever. No. You know, stop making excuses for the reasons or to make your things look right. You know, divergence is divergence. And whether it's the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, the 15 minute, the 5 minute, the 3 minute, here is divergence. This is why I personally do not trade divergence. So here was our divergence, and look at how much it went down. You could argue that it started coming down here, fine, whatever, but this is nothing. Then I mentioned to the group, so much for the divergence, you know, and this is when I'm thinking we're gonna probably come down before maybe going up, possible. And then when this was here, when we start seeing this, I posted in the group. I said, all right, well now, if we look at this, we have a low and a lower low. However, we have a low and a higher low. So now we have bullish divergence. And the bullish divergence, it started playing out, and then it stopped. That's it. That's all it gave us. Then it came down, and then it did this number. So now here we can say bullish divergence, low, lower low. We have a low and a higher low. I do include the wicks. So now this is bullish divergence, and then now all the people who trade divergence, well, look, Joe, we have bullish divergence, and it broke this level, and this and this, and blah, blah. Look at the divergence. All right, well, what happened to this bullish divergence and this bearish divergence? And riddle me that. And then of course it went up. Now when I started coming up, I was expecting potentially a reversal here. Maybe get rejected, come down, and then now shoot up. But nope, it went straight up to our value area high. And also this is where we're having the majority of the price action. It breaks out, sure. Breaks down, sure, but this is where we're having the majority of the price action. We did not bounce here, which I thought we were. We did not. We didn't come down here either. Kind of in the middle, I guess. Started coming up, and then we started balancing on this point of control. So if we do a fixed range volume profile, you'll see this was the point of control, value area high, value area low. And we were balancing here for a little bit before we decided to break above, tap the value area high, and now it looks like potentially going up. My question still remains, where is the money? Where's the money? This is Bitcoin. It broke above this level, and it's maintaining above the level. Fine. Bitcoin dominance is breaking below our level. This is on the 1 hour. All these are the 1 hour. Breaking below our level. So this means that more than likely the alts are going to start moving because dominance is coming down. And sure enough, the total 3, we broke out, came back in, tapped it, and then came out, and then bounced. So now total 3 is going up. Money is going into the market and into the alts. So total 3 is everything except Bitcoin and Ethereum. And right now it's coming up on the hourly time frame for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 hours been going up. Now, let's come back to, this. Where's the money? Past 6 hours has been going. Here it's on the hourly. That's my question. Where is the money going? I don't know. No idea. All right, back to this. Let's see here. Okay, so here's USDT dominance. This is the I guess you can call it the dollar dominance. This is Tether, but look, we have this also breaking levels to the downside. It's on the hourly time frame. So this is saying that people are either doing one of two things. One, they are buying alts with USDT. So the USDT is getting out of circulation to buy the alts. Because it's dropping, that means one, they're either buying alts, or two, they're taking their money out of USDT and putting it back in their bank. Since total 3 is going up, it leads me to believe that people are buying alts right now. I don't see any movement. There's a few that I'm watching. I'm watching really, really close. And it's literally like watching paint dry. Literally. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me throw the timer on. I'm not even gonna look to see how many people are viewing. So I don't want to cry. No crying. Timer set. But yeah, so right now I'm just sitting on my hands. I'm watching these charts. Of course, I've updated the group, just letting you know, like, will there be a coin or two, or maybe even 5 that just absolutely pump? Yes. However, I don't have a group so that I could trick people to join my group by posting a bunch of coins and then showing results. Oh yeah, we did this and we did this and we joined our group. And you join the group, it's like, oh man, this guy's just posting like 10, 15 coins a day. It doesn't help the group. It doesn't help you as a trader. It helps the person who owns the group because they're tricking more people to join. I don't do that. If you want to join my group, it's basically to leverage your time, have access to me. That's what that is. So I'll give you a heads up. Let's see here. We got 8 minutes. What are we gonna talk about for 8 minutes? So I don't have anything prepared, guys. I never do. I go over Bitcoin. So what do I think about Bitcoin? Okay. What do I think about Bitcoin? Well, here, I mean, if you do from this one to this one, there's bearish divergence now. To me, it looks bullish at the moment. You know, we broke out of this zone right here. Now we look bullish. So let me get rid of this trash. This divergence trash. Go to 4 hour. This obviously did not play out. This is still our major area of activity. We had our bear trap down here. Trying to look for anything else. We currently have no. Market makers pushed up this last candle right here to get out of this trend line. Let me just make sure Yep. Okay. So, in my opinion, we are still bullish on the macro, the bigger picture, as long as we're in this trend line, the orange trend lines. As long as we're in here, we're good. And right now, we're just literally dab smack in the middle of this, upper trend line, bottom trend line. So as long as we're in here, we're still bullish. It can go up, it can go down, still bullish. If it breaks this level and gets out of this bounce zone, then we're in some trouble. Let me just do it. I'm trying to look for any other. No, I mean, we're re-entering this really nice zone that we have here. Here, of course, we broke out of it. The question is, we have our high, lower high. Is this going to be another lower high, or is it going to come up to our main level? I talked about this one, 120.223. Is it going to come up here and break above it, find support, and moon mission? Let's go, everybody, all aboard. And then maybe our alts take off as well. Right now, I'm trying to find something bearish. I mean, we're right dab smack in the middle. One thing that I don't like about this is that we don't have a lot of price action down here, which would give us support if we do come back down. And then to go up, we have this major level of resistance in this orange, and then the blue is our main level up here. But I would really like to have more support down here, so we can have more areas of bounce to where if the price does come up here and starts trading in this range, it gives us something to bounce off of. I don't see that. All right, guys. Well, I literally finished my lunch super fast. Ate it incredibly fast so I can do this live stream. But I don't see that we have any questions or anything. So that's the end of the show. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. You know what? Let's go ahead and do it 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute for the show to end. And I do thank you guys very much. Really disappointed because, well, I ate my food way too fast. I didn't even enjoy it. But it is what it is. Just to let you know, guys, we do this every single day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 4. We cover Bitcoin, we cover the markets, we cover your coins, we cover questions. Instead of spending $99 an hour for somebody to show you how to trade or to answer your questions, I do that for you. If you have questions on any coin, we give you setups. All for free. You don't have to join my group. We do it for free. We go through the whole thought process when it comes down to this. And I do thank you guys for your time. Appreciate you greatly. We will see you on the next video. And we're going to jam out to the intro because I really do like the intro. Thank you guys. Once again, my name is Joe. If you haven't already, definitely smash the like. I'm here for you. I'm here to make money with you, not because of you. And for that reason, I give everything for free. If you want access to me, well, then that's when you join my group. If you want access to all the updates and everything else, leveraging your time, join the group. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Chop game. Market makers playing that chop game. Traders getting wrecked, don't trade it the same. Long it, pull back, short it, moon quick. Market makers in the back, laughing. Confirm breakout. No, now it's reversing.